I just want to show you something here that we have in a bookstore. It's called a Construction Spanish, and this translates Spanish to English and English to Spanish back and forth for a construction site. So it's not a bad idea to have one on the job site so you can communicate with your Spanish employees. It goes over Spanish terms commonly used in construction projects, and it starts out, let me just open up the book. It shows you the vowels there and, bring me stuff and, your days of the week, your months, your safety issues. Okay, your boots, you can ask them, where is your safety, or just point to it like I typically will have to. Batch, words, aggregate terms. Then it starts on and goes through them. Here's your inch, foot, yard, your math. Then it starts and it gives you the, the English word air, and then el air. Okay, for the Spanish. And then it goes through here and tries to pick out all the words. Now I realize you may not be able to pronounce a lot of these, but at least you can go, air brake, it's this. And then they will understand what you mean. Now, in the center of the book, it just breaks it in half and says, okay, from here on, we're going to give you the Spanish words here, and here is the English translation. So that as they're communicating with you, they can find it, or you can find it and figure out what they're trying to say to you. So that comes in real handy on any job site. In the back of it, it goes all the way through. Then it gets your personal information. What is your name? What is your address? How old are you? Sign here. Driver's license, immigration papers. Do you speak English? And basic questions that you would ask an employee. And you keep going in it. Just the office stuff, benefits, appointments, dental, doctor, and so on. So your basic office Spanish. Okay, emergency numbers. Are you sick? Are you hurt? Can you call for help? Don't move. Okay. What you could use when you're talking to a doctor. Anatomy. They give you a whole list of anatomy so you can figure out, if they're telling you they're hurt somewhere, where they hurt. So you just, okay, right here. Okay, well, 14, and that's going to be your heart there. And it gives you some miscellaneous phrases in the back. Bring me the, can someone interpret, clean up daily, clean this up, good job, keep the job site clean, pick up the trash, when do you start, when will you finish. And then, of course, a very important, nail sizes. So I need a 8D nail. Well, an 8D nail is 2.5 inches long. Okay. And there's a little tape for you. So it's a great little book. Construction Spanish. You can buy it right here at the construction bookstore. So give them a call and ask them about it. So anyway, thanks a lot. My name is Richard Elsey, and I'm one of the instructors with the school. And I'll be walking you through a couple more of these book reviews. So here's a great one. Construction Spanish.